got the giant mullet going down. There he is, there he is, there he is. We got... First bait, first fish. Peter! Bro. It actually looks like the same fish. It literally looks like the same fish. Oh no, it's a little smaller. Can you see it? Get that hook. Comes. Whoop. He's very heavy, actually. There he is. What we're gonna do is this. I'm gonna try to grab him by his tail and get a good release, because I wanna... There he is. We're not gonna lift him up.